Quick tip for one of my students for Bird of Paradise based on their video that they sent to me and their question. So remember, we want to drop the leg back and down in our leg hang before we set up. Okay, so right now I'm going to demonstrate what I see in your video. And we're going to change that. Instead, we're going to do this. Have you try this. Invert, hook the outside knee like you did. This leg, instead of bringing it in towards your body, drop it back down towards the floor, squeeze your butt, and pull up so that your body is parallel to the floor. Then use your bicep to hold you. Keep this arm strong and twist first. Okay. Then I'm pushing my left ear into the pole and looking up towards the floor. Okay. All right. This leg, remember, we don't want to bring it up. We want to keep the butt squeezed. Keep it low. Circle it around. Externally rotate it. Then grab the heel. Again, we're not just straightening it here, straightening it there. We're pressing our heel, our hand into our heel, trying to get that knee back to the shoulder as much as possible. Then, when we straighten, we'll be much closer for the grab. Try that, resend me your video, and we'll go from there. Thanks for sharing your process with me so that I can help you. I'll see you soon.